Hello, family. Welcome back again to the channel where we create, and I'm in the person of Mr. Humble. We are continuing the series that we have started, that is how to use Photoshop to create graphic design work. And so, if you haven't subscribed, please again subscribe to the channel, like it, share it, share some comments in the comment section. If you have any problem, share it there. I will address it at the right time. Okay, so the last video we did the test 2 and the move 2. So today we are going to do the select 2 and the brush 2. All right, so let's first learn about the select 2. So in order for me to explain for you so that you understand the test 2, I'll bring a picture alongside. Okay, all right, so this is the select 2. Okay, the quick selection 2. All right, have you seen it? You see, so look at the illustration. You see, we use the select 2 to select some part of our image. Okay, some part of our image. Okay, so that is it. So let's use it and you see what I'm talking about. So you will click on it. Okay, so let's right click on it and see. You see, when you right click, we have the object selection 2, the quick selection 2, the magic word 2. Okay, I will demonstrate how we use all these. So first, let's use the quick selection 2. So I have added a picture here, so I'm revealing it for you to see. So this is a picture. So if you want to select, let's say the nose marks. Okay, so you put the pointer at the nose marks. Okay, but first make sure that this one is selected. Okay, this is you are removing some of the selection out. Okay, and this is you are adding the selection. Okay, so you click here first, then you come to that portion, then you click, then you drag. So as you click and drag, it will be selected. It will automatically select it for you. You see it has selected. You see how it is. So it's very easy to use it. But you see, this is not part of the nose mask. So what you have to do is you come to the property tools, then the minus one, you click on it, then you use it to remove that portion out. You see, then now we have selected only the nose mask. Have you seen how it's very easy to use it? Okay, then if you want to cut the nose mask out of the image, you just right click, then here you can say layer via copy. Okay, when we say layer via copy, let me click on it for you to you see there's nothing happened, but something happened. Okay, look at the layers. So when you look at the layers, this is the image. All right, but we have cut what, or we have copied the nose mask out of the layer. Okay, so when you hide this picture, it will be left with only the nose marks. You see, so that is how we use the selection 2. Okay, we use to select some portion of it of our image. Then if you want to copy some out of it, or you have to cut out of it, or you want to select it and let's say fill it with that place with color, you can do that. Okay, let's fill this place with color and see. So let me go back. Okay, so this is selected. So if you want to fill color, first you have to change this image. Okay, the image is a smart image. It has become a smart object thumbnail. Okay, so you have to remove that smart object thumbnail out of the layer so that you can fill it. So what you have to do is right click, then you go to rasterize layer. So when you rasterize layer, it becomes a normal image. Then you can right click on it, then fill, then you choose color, then you choose the color that you want it to be filled with. Okay, so let's say yellow, then okay, then it will be filled with that color. Have you seen? So it's very easy. Let's go to the quick selection 2, right click on it. Then we have another one called object selection 2. Click on it. When you click on the object selection 2 is used to select an object in your image. Let's say the human being here, the lady here is an object. So you want to select it, it will select it quickly. Okay, it will select only the human image quickly. Okay, so what you have to do is you put it here. all right. Then you select over the human only, okay. Then you release it. So when you release it, it will select only the human, okay, only the human head, the head that you see. It will select only that, all right. So yeah, see what it's going to be. So you see, it has selected only the human object, all right. But it will sometimes it will select perfectly. Sometimes too, you have to make some adjustments, okay. So this one, you see, this place they did not select. So you have to, what you have to do is go to here, right click on it, go to the quick selection tool, then add those one, okay. Click on the plus one, then add those one to it, all right. See, then it will add it to it. So that is how we use the object selection tool, okay. So it's select things quickly, all right. Then we have the magic word tool. So the magic word tool helps you to select a part of an image that has the same color, all right, that has the same color. So if you want to select this color, okay, you just click on it, then it will select. You see, click on here, then it will select the same color. Click on here, then select, okay. Click on here to select only the object that has the same color. So that is the magic, word tool. All right, let's move on to the brush tool. So as the name implies, the brush tool, it is used to what? Paint, all right. So this is the brush tool. When you right click on it, you see different buttons, okay. So we have the brush tool, we have the pencil tool, we have the color pencil replacement tool, then we have the mixer brush tool, okay. So the brush tool is used to paint. So before you can use it, you just have to select the color that you want to use, all right. So here we have the black. So this is the foreground color. So this is the color that will appear. So the black, when I paint it, the black will appear. You see, the black will appear, all right. The white color is the background. So that one, it is a spare, okay. If you want to change the spare color, that background color to be the fore color, you just have to click on this two arrows. You click on it, then it will change, all right. It will change. If you want to change the color, you just click on it, then the color panel picker will appear, then you choose the color that you want, all right. Then you click on OK. Then after choosing the color, I have already said that whatever we do it on sheets, okay, on layers. So you have to create a new layer, all right. Create a new layer. Let me unselect this one, all right. So the shortcut for unselecting a part of your image is Control D, all right. Control D, it will unselect it, okay. And if you want to select all, you just hit Control A. So that is a bonus for you guys, all right. So you create a new layer. So this is the layer that we are going to paint on, all right. So let's start painting. So you see, it is painting. But one will ask, why is it too small? All right, it is small because when you look at the properties area, the properties bar, it is set to what? 20. All right, it's set to 20. So if you want to increase it, you just click on here, all right. Then you choose the size that you want. If you want it to be bigger, then you choose. And this one, the hardness means it will be sharp. If you want it to be sharp, then you pull the hardness to 100%, okay. If you want it to be smooth, then you pull it down, okay. So let's make it sharp, okay. I will demonstrate it for you to see, okay. So, and this is a preset of the brushes, okay. So if you want this kind of brush, you can use it. If you want this kind of brush, so there are so many presets that is there, okay. So you will see them. So these are presets of brushes, okay. So you choose, then you use it to paint. You see, is this. So that is it. So this is the soft one. Those are the soft brush. You see, the hardness is 0, so it will be smooth, okay, soft. And this is the hard one, okay, the hard round brush. It will be hard, to become hard, okay. Then if you want to change the size, change it here, then it will be bigger. Have you seen? So that is the brush 2. So with the brush tool, when you right click on it, we have the pencil tool too. So you can use the pencil tool to draw or make your work. So that is it for this video. In our next video, we are going to look at the eraser tool and the dodge tool. All right, so stay tuned.